Disinfection by using ozone generator. After performing pre-disinfecting of the Vihelm or Vihood package, proceed to carefully disinfect the equipment before storage or further usage. Step 1. Remove the equipment from the bag or container, tally and disassemble the components. Step 2. Disassemble and discard all the filters in the exhale filter holder and the non-woven filter on the blower box. Step 3. Use the alcohol-soaked towel to wipe the surfaces of the components, then place them in the bag or container. Step 4. Use the alcohol-soaked towel to wipe the outside of the bag or container, then take off your gloves and wash hands with soap or sanitizer. Step 5. Turn the ozone generator on, put one end of the ozone tube into the box, close the box tightly, set for 1 hour, concentration 30 to 40 parts per million. Turn off and wait for 30 minutes. Step 6. Take the components out of the box or container. Insert new filters to the exhale filter holder on the headgear and a new non-woven filter on the blower box, then reassemble all the components. Step 7. Place the equipment in the bag or container for storage or further usage. Fully charge the battery after the disinfection process is completed. Disinfection by using autoclave. For Vihelm, can only use an autoclave to sterilize the head top cover and the facepiece shroud. For Vihood, can only use an autoclave to sterilize the hood cover. After separating the fabric parts from other components, put them into the autoclave according to hospital regulations. The remaining parts are disinfected by other methods such as using alcohol, soaking with soap, using an ozone generator, etc.